Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to add USDT to Metamask with multiple networks really easy. So as you can see, we're on CoinMarketCap and we also have our Metamask right here. Make sure to install our Metamask and all that good stuff. You can go here to search and search for Tether or USDT. And if we go here to contracts, as you can see, we have one contract which is Ethereum, right? But let's say we want to add more contracts like, Tron network, BSC network. What we can do is we can click here more, and then on each of these networks we have a Fox icon. That means that this network can be added to MetaMask. So we can add BNB Smart Chain, we can add XDAI, we can add Polygon, we cannot add Avalanche, we can add Tomo Chain and Phantom, right? And all other chains that we can add. So here we can go and we can, let's say we want to add this chain to MetaMask. We can click here, and then obviously we need to change the wallet network to Ethereum. So we go here to our MetaMask, we switch this to Ethereum, and then we go back here and go back here, add to MetaMask. And obviously we have to do this obviously the first way like this, right? And then we can go here and we can add it right here. Or if we want to BNB, right, which is Smart Chain, we go back to MetaMask and we go here and go to Smart Chain. And once we're on Smart Chain, we can go here and add this to our MetaMask, which is going to be like this, right? And then we can add the token. So that's pretty much how to do it. You can also go to CoinGecko and do exactly the same process like this, right? Just go to CoinGecko, search for USDT, and then you can go to more and add it to your MetaMask wallet. So that's pretty much how to add multiple networks, or how to add USDT with multiple networks on MetaMask. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.